prioritizing yourself. And that could be this as well. Maybe for some of you, you were really contemplating for a very long time whether you should leave this person behind, and whether you should go after your calling, or if you should go after your plans and dreams and goals. And now you're finally taking a decision, and that is all coming from some sort of realization that has happened in your life, and you have made situation clear for your own self. Okay, okay, give me some more energy. Magician card. Yeah, I definitely see this new beginning that's happening in your life. It is all manifested by you. Some of you, you were really like working on this thing, manifesting, praying, or visualizing, or just taking aligned action, whatever it is. You have been working on this for a very long time. And in relationship, I definitely feel that somebody was showing you a very different picture of themselves, but then they were a very different person. Okay, and this person, whoever you were dealing with very strongly, could be an air sign, could be a Gemini as well, could be a fire sign, could be a Leo. Whoever it was, this person was definitely giving you a hard time. And this connection was nothing but a disaster, because Knight of Swords in relationship and commitment is a disaster. So this person just comes into your life very quickly and then leaves as fast. So somebody just keeps on coming into your life and leaving at the same pace, and this has been a disaster for some of you, and now you're basically avoiding the disaster. Okay, give me some future energy for my Sagittarius. Ace of Pentacle. Yeah, you're definitely working towards something new. New is your mantra, I think. You do not want to go back to the past, because you know this person has been a liar, a cheater, deceiver, not honest. For some of you, I definitely see this as an air sign. Or they somewhere have air in their chart. Like, who the fuck were you dealing with? 7 of Swords, 10 of Swords. This is what this person gave to you, and you don't want this. Some of you, you are very clear in your mind this time that you do not want to go to this person, and you just want to focus on the new. Ace of Pentacle, Ace of Wands. You're looking for new beginnings in your life, out with the old and in with the new. And you know what? This clarity has come after a very long time, and that's the sad part about it, that you took very, very long. Like, you could actually see this situation and this person for what they were, but some of you, you were just trying to give them multiple chances. You were trying that someday this person is going to change, and someday they are going to be honest, but then actually that never happened. So this transformation, this you going after new things and you taking back control of your life, or you doing things for yourself, is happening, which is good. But you know what, it's happening after a lot of delay. So this person actually killed a lot of your time. And with the Ace of Pentacle, I see that what is coming towards you next definitely has a lot of potential. It's going to be slow, but it's going to be stable. See? And all of this is going to happen when you let go of your ego. And that ego does not have to be bad. Like, ego can be something that, you might be feeling that this person here, the past person, I know one day this person is going to change. I know this person does not respect me today, but one day they are going to change. So when you let go of that kind of ego and that kind of built up emotion that you do not want to see reality, you do not want to see things in a different way, then it's going to happen. So some of you, it's been a long time that you have been giving yourself false hopes. Stop doing that, okay? Only when you will do it, things are going to change for you. Like, if you tell me now that my love life is fucked and I don't have anybody and nobody's there in my life or whatever, that's gonna happen only when you unstuck yourself. You're basically stuck. You're waiting for a person from your past to change their old cheater ways. This person is not going to do that. And even if they do, they're going to come into your life for a very short time with the Knight of Swords. So they're going to come in very quickly and leave. And I'm very sure that anybody who is watching this do not want that, right? Okay. So some of you, I definitely see with the Ace of Wands and Ace of Pentacle, you are very determined to go after new things in life. But with the Hanged Man, I also see that there is still an energy, there is still a part of you which kind of still waits for this person. So it's like this situation, like basically handling this past is difficult for you. You have to be more mature, right? Or you have to finally accept the truth, Sagittarius. Do not give yourself even 1% of doubt that you're having. Like some of you, like you're moving on, but then you have those 1% doubt in your mind, like what if I wait a little longer, maybe this person will change. Don't try to do that, right? Don't try to sugarcoat things for yourself. See the truth for what it is. Call a duck, okay? Oh, give me some energy about this past person that Sagittarius was connecting. Give me some energy about this. Oops, Six of Pentacles. This person was breadcrumbing you. They gave you very little. See, Four of Pentacles. They used to hold back majority of things and they gave you very little. And some of you, this person, oh my god, Death card, they never really expressed. I see communication and expressing feelings was a very big part here. They never did that. This person would just never tell you what it is. And this has been going on for some time now. So this is not the first time. I definitely see this person has done this multiple times in the past as well. Like leaving, ghosting, leaving, coming back, ghosting, leaving, coming back. And now you're like, fine, let me just let this go. Let me just focus on what makes me happy. You truly, really want a commitment, right? Right now you're just done with the games and XC, 9 of Wands. You are really exhausted, but you're still not giving up. You really want a relationship, a commitment in your life, something which comes with a lot of clear communication, and you want it to be a new thing. Again, the Ace of Swords. You're definitely looking for new. You don't want the old drama back. Some of you could be looking for a new relationship with the past person, but you don't want drama. You basically want zero drama. Six of Cups. Maybe you still want to reconnect with someone from the past, but without any drama, like not even 1%. Not even 1% drama is something that you're going to tolerate. All right, anything else? Hold on. Anything else? What is happening now? 7 of Wands. Again, standing up for yourself, focusing on yourself. You're just trying to be very strong is what I see. It's difficult. You also might be facing a lot of opposition. That could be in career or generally people around you just try to create some sort of obstacle for you or whatever it is, but you're trying to close those doors or those chapters and you're trying to stand up for yourself. Slowly and gradually things are taking turn for you, okay? So things are improving for you. The disappointment that you have had from this past person, like it was a lot. With the Eight of Swords energy we saw in the beginning, it was a very heavy energy, but slowly and gradually you are coming back into your power is what I see. And some of you, you really want a relationship or a connection which is like a be all end all. Like you're done with playing games, like somebody playing games with you, or you're just done with short-term connections. Now you really want something legit, long-term thing. Let's see. Give me some future energy in love for my Sagittarius. You're really hoping for someone to come in your life and basically complete you, you know. That's what the World card is. Eight of Pentacles and Seven of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Some of you, you are going to have multiple options in love. And with the Eight of Pentacles, it's going to be a task to choose which one you want. Some of you can actually meet somebody at work as well, or you are connecting with someone at work. Yeah, with the Seven of Cups and Ace of Cups, like you might be having a lot of people around you who want your attention, but you're going to see that one person very clearly at the right time. Maybe right now is not that time. So if you have a lot of confusion still, don't worry. You will be having problem of choices, you know. Like one of my students, she was like, her name is Dana. So she was like, I wanted one job, and then she's my student in manifestation workshop, and she said I did the ritual and I now have 3 choices, 3 work positions that are offered to me. Problem of choices, you know, like some people have problem of choices. They have so much that they can't really make a decision. So some of you, you will have problem of choices, and then you will have to choose which one you want, and you will be making that decision very clearly. And by the way, we have all the aces in the reading already. So some of you, you will be choosing whether you want to go back to a past person or you want to have a new person. And some of you, you will have multiple new people coming into you. So you see, all 4 aces are here in the reading. You have a lot of opportunities given by universe to have a union. It's going to happen at the divine timing, but you will have a lot of options to choose from. So you choose which one do you want. All eyes on you. Many people have their eye on you, and that's going to be very unexpected because right now, as we speak, you are in this 8 of Swords energy where you feel people want me. Are you kidding me? Like, nobody wants me. I am stuck. Things are not moving. But see, you have all the 4 Aces which show new beginnings. So if you are willing to open yourself and if you're willing to change your circumstances, you are going to have that. But if you're one of those people who just come in the comment section and they be like, I'm single for 10 years and nobody comes in my life, honey, you are no Disney princess. Nobody's going to come knocking at your door, right? So yeah, don't try to act weird. If you go out, put yourself out, maybe try your luck, meet people, that's when you find love. You cannot sit in your house on your couch and then expect people to just come at your door. All right, that does not happen. Justice. You are going to get what you deserve, and some of you deserve a lot. Some of you just underestimating yourself. See, problem of choices again. You will have more than one person, and one of them is definitely a past person. But you can make a choice whether you want to go back to them or you want to go for a new person. But yeah, like, you are going to get what you deserve in love. Like, if you're a good person, you're going to get good people in your life. If like multiple good people, and then you can decide. And if you're not good, then karma is coming back, honey. And your past person is again coming back with the Knight of Swords. I definitely see, but it's not going to be permanent. This person is very manipulative. Something again might get revealed about them. So be careful. Like, if your past person is manipulative, but for some of you, if your past person was the correct person, it was just a wrong time, then you will get them. All right. So you're basically going to get whatever you want if you deserve it. Like, if you have been the right person, if you have never cheated anybody, if you haven't manipulated anybody, then universe is definitely giving you a very balanced love. Okay, what is the advice for my Sagittarius? Now, King of Wands, take back control of your life. Do not give the key of your life or key of your happiness in other people's life, right? Be determined and go after things that light up your soul. Some of you, there is something, an idea or a plan that you have in your mind and you are not having a lot of courage to go after that. It's high time that you do. 6 of Wands. See, if you will do, you will get victory. Some of you are just very scared to maybe present your offer to somebody or just take that leap of faith in your career, whatever it is. And then again, in love, there's going to be multiple people and then you are going to select. And if you are having your eye on somebody who has multiple people, then you are going to be the winner here. That's for the 6 of Wands energy. I also see that some of you have been thinking a lot lately. Like, you have plans, but you're not taking action because you just try to weigh the pros and cons a lot. Like, weighing pros and cons is good, but do not weigh them to the point that you are not able to take an action. So stop doing that, right? That's gonna keep you stuck and you need to let go of that. All right, anything else? Let's see. In the Romance Angel, give me a message for Sagittarius. New love. Didn't I tell you? Some of you definitely looking for new love, or new love is coming your way for sure. Attraction. For some of you, it could be a past person as a new love, but for most of you, it's going to be new. And we already have 4 aces. Like, it is new. All right. Separation and engagement. Wow. So you are in separation with somebody, but your love life is going to ascend to a next level. Some of you are going to find the one for you. And right now, you're in the retreat mode. You're like, nobody wants me, nobody loves me, or whatever. Some of you are just coming out of a retreat mode, like the retreat has been going for a very long time, but see, you are headed towards a new love, better times. I would also want you not to like go back in the past and try to change people. Like, don't try to sugarcoat things. Call duck a duck, basically. If you see somebody is toxic, call them toxic. And tell yourself that this person is toxic, right? And you definitely have better options coming in love for you, for sure. Just try to give yourself the time and permission that you are worthy of love and you can definitely find love. Like, don't try to tell yourself that, oh my God, somebody cheated me and it's see. So if you have gone through a deception, I know it's very hard to trust people again, but just give your permission to trust people again and you will have choices, like multiple for sure. All right, so that was the reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.